নমস্কার, আজকের এপিসোডটা কিন্তু কালামকারীর ওপর। কটন থেকে শুরু করে কোরা, সিল্ক, তসর নানান রকম ফ্যাব্রিকের ওপর কালামকারী এপিসোড এবং নানান রকম ওয়ার্কের সাথে কালামকারী আমি আজকে দেখাবো। সুতরাং স্টার্ট করি। খুব সুন্দর সুন্দর প্রোডাক্টস কিন্তু আজকে নিয়ে এসেছি। প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 1, আমি কটন থেকে শুরু করি, সব রকম রেঞ্জ তাহলে কালামকারী আপনারা দেখতে পাবেন। Since it's in cotton, I will be able to show you a lot of variety and range also. This is in pure cotton, product number 1, 2650 rupees. It's a woven check cotton in white and red with block print, hand block, kalamkari pallu and kalamkari blouse piece. So those who want, regular wear, little designer look cotton sari, so this can be a good option. And since it's in pure cotton, it's very skin friendly and very comfortable in summer. This is the whole look. With kalamkari, again this blouse piece will receive. You don't need a lining to make this blouse. It's a pure cotton, heavy material, kalamkari piece. Product number 2 in matka. Last time the kalamkari episode that I showed, the matka response was very good. So this is another new color that I've done. It's very soft, lightweight, digital printed kalamkari. The color is goldenish mustard yellow. So let me tell you the color. Because of the light, that may be a difference of 1920. So I'm explaining you the color because it's in front of me. It's a beautiful digital print in traditional peacock motif. The pallu will be like this, it's running. This has a very light shimmer tissue weaving, only the border part, but it's very muted. I mean, you won't be able to see it. Just a tiny bit of, little bit of, just a sheen is there. So 2990 rupees only, 2990. Product number 2 in soft, lightweight, very comfortable fabric matka, and it's digital kalamkari. This is the blouse piece for this. It has a self block print in the blouse piece. So this is how it goes. Even for gifting, it's really nice. The combination is, since these are in earth colors and the basic color is yellow, so it will look give a very grand look. 2990 rupees, product number 2. Product number 3. This is in tissue linen, again digital printed kalamkari in tissue linen. So these are the minimum ranges that I can show you. See the lovely print all over. It has a woven zari border and again few lines of thread work border. This is absolutely thread work. So there is this is the weave of the sari, this is the thread work of the sari in the sari, and this is the digital printed kalamkari that has been done in the sari. So many concept has been applied in one product. So if you like the product, kindly take the screenshot along with the description that is given and send it in the WhatsApp number 7603042696. And there's the other WhatsApp number that is also going. This is the blouse piece. It has ghicha jute woven in the blouse piece. The blouse will be plain yellow, lemon yellow, and this is the look. I'll show you another color in this, 2 colors in this concept, and this is product number 3 and price is 3850 rupees, 3850. This is product number 4, the same thing in pista color. Product 3850, product number 4. This is another very pretty color, and since these are very lightweight, you can gift it to elderly people also who cannot wear border attached sarees. So these will be very lightweight sarees for them also. because I keep getting enquiries that I want to gift my mother or grandmother or any relative who doesn't like wearing heavy weight sarees. So this will be a very nice soothing color combination also. This is the blouse piece. This is the saree. Same price, just the color is different. Please press the bell icon which is on your right hand side, and there's a option of all notifications. Once you click that all notifications, whenever I upload the video, it will go, you will get the notification so that you can watch the video as early as possible, so that you can get the product. To receive the products in Kolkata, cash on delivery possible. Without Kolkata, outside Kolkata, courier only. Even we ship worldwide. Internationally, we are doing regular shippings. This is a beautiful kalamkari in digital print Banarasi. This is antique woven, Banarasi woven border. This is the full print in the kalamkari, This is the pallu. This is in matka Banarasi, digital woven, rich black and orange combination with orange blouse piece. The border will be there in the blouse piece, deep orange blouse piece, and this is the sari. This is also a lightweight sari, and this is the look. We have two colors in this, and the price of this is 3,500 rupees only, 3,500. This is number 6, same price. That was orange border, and this is in magenta border, Rani kind of a magenta border. This is also a very gorgeous looking. See, in a matka, this is already a beautiful woven sari. On top of that, I've done this digital printing to give it a different look. This is the pallu, the back side, and this is the sari. So these are all one pieces. We cannot take order on these. So the few episodes which I tell you, like the silk episodes, the embroidery ones, few orders can be taken, but these once sold, these cannot be recreated. Other prints you will find. For that you have to check out our Facebook page, or you have to visit our two stores, 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamil Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. For that you have to visit store for more options of these kind of sarees. Now coming to Tussar. Tussar digital print, hand paint kalamkari. This is painting done, not the nib painting. This is acid painting in kalamkari all over in Tussar with thread work. See, this is a lovely concept of the sari. Let me explain it to you. The brushing has been done. Just see, beautiful spray brushing dye, lovely shades of a light maroonish color, and the whole sari has been painted. Kalamkari painting has been done, and this is the outline. It has all been outlined in thread work. And the sari itself is pure Desi Tussar zari woven border, 8,500 rupees. Pure zari woven Desi Tussar. Now here goes the rest half of the sari. It's so soft, very very comfortable, because many can't wear the stiff ones. I too myself hate the stiff ones. So I make all soft polish. This is the blouse piece. See, the border part, the pleat part will have the painting, only the outline, and it will have the shading. A very interesting sari in earthy tone, but the look is very rich. 8,500 rupees for this Tussar kalamkari. This is product number 8, a similar type. So since I've got so many varieties, I cannot show you one product so many, but the whole episode is on kalamkari. This is another similar one in snuff color and a lovely dark peach rust color border, zari woven. Same price, 8,500 with thread work. This is fully thread work. This is not painting, this is thread work. The black part is totally thread work. These are painted along with black thread work outline throughout all the motifs. So it's a lovely piece, see, but it's so soft and lightweight. Woven pallu, zari woven pallu along with the paint. And then here goes, after half sari, the pleat part will be again the similar one like the previous one, but the color is snuff color. নস্যি কালারের কুচিটা আসছে পুরোটা এবং তার সাথে এটা কিন্তু ব্লাউজ পিসটা আসছে, ম্যাট রেড ব্লাউজ পিস। অ্যান্ড শাড়িটার কুচিটার মধ্যে নস্যি কালার, তার মধ্যে বডিটাতে পুরো কিন্তু কলমকারি পেইন্টের সাথে পুরোটা এমব্রয়ডারি করা হয়েছে, স্টিচের শাড়ি, একদম অন্যরকম দেখতে, কারণ এটা কালার কম্বিনেশনটা একটু কিন্তু আর্দি ইংলিশ টোনস ইউজ করা হয়েছে। খুব ক্লাসি লুকটা দেয় ইংলিশ টোনসগুলো ইউজ করলে, এগুলো পরলে বড্ড ভারী লাগে, মানে খুবই সুন্দর লাগে, ভারী সুন্দর হয় এই শাড়িগুলো পরার পর। ওভারঅল লুকটা একদম অন্যরকম আসে। দেখুন এটাও কিন্তু একটা কলমকারির ওপর চিকনের বর্ডার করছে, ওয়ান পিস, এটারও কিন্তু নো রিপিটেশন, চিকন এমব্রয়ডারি বর্ডার, thread work in both the borders. Color combination ta puro slate color, charcoal black color. Price 10,900 rupees. 10,900 rupees. Product number 9. 10,900. আঁচলটা দেখুন কি সুন্দর আঁচলটা, আঁচলের মধ্যে খুব সুন্দর পুরো চিকনের কাজটা করা হয়েছে, পুরো এরকম ভাবে আসছে। প্লিটের পার্টটা আবার সলিড কালারে চলে এলো, কিন্তু পেইন্টিংটা তলায় গেছে। একদম আনকমন পিস অ্যান্ড ওয়ান পিস, ইটস অ্যাবসলিউট নেবার্স এনভি ওনার্স প্রাইড। I really wanted to do a few more pieces of this, but no, my karigar is saying it, দিদি ভীষণ টাইম লাগছে, দিদি ভীষণ টাইম লাগছে। দেখি যদি পরে অর্ডার দেওয়া যায় বা কিছু একটা, বাট অ্যাট প্রেজেন্ট এটার কোনো অর্ডার হচ্ছে না। দিস ইজ দ্য ব্লাউজ পিস। দিস ইজ দ্য লুক। ভীষণ আনকমন, একদম অন্য টাইপের কাজটা হয়েছে। প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 10 দেখানোর আগে আমি আমার জুয়েলারিটা একটু বলে দিই। কানেরটা হচ্ছে 1200 রুপিস। ইটস আ পোলকি সেট ইয়ারিং, 1200 for the pair, 1690 rupees for 4 pair of pearl setting bangles, 1690 for the pearl setting bangles set of 4. And you will love the neck piece. It's copper gold color, temple jewelry, extremely beautiful work, temple jewelry with this jhumka. It's nothing less than a gold work. You know, the work looks, you know, we do this kind of, you know, the lovely temple jewelries, South Indian temple jewelries, I love them. So this is a lovely piece, similar type, 6,990 rupees. You will love this piece. And I'll tell you later about my sari. Now coming to Kora Kalamkari. Product number 10, Kora Kalamkari. And this is price 11,900 rupees in a soft, lovely pista color. Just see the digital printing done in kalamkari and the thread work with mirrors. There has been a crochet lace also in the border. 11,900 rupees. Soft, pure silk Kora. This is absolutely pure, and it has a silk blouse piece also. You can make the blouse as a top, short crop top, sleeveless short crop top, or a very short cap sleeve, or a puff sleeve top also. It's a lovely, lovely piece, especially the color and the whole color combination of the sari. Product number 11, 11,900 rupees. Product number 11 in light peach color. Again mirror work, thread work in the border. Few saris I do forget, but few saris when I remember, I definitely try to show you the back side to show you the finish of our products. I'm very finicky about the finish, and I try to, I send back the product if I'm not liking the finish. So my karigars are very scared of me. So this is the whole look. You can make bank transfers, Paytms, GPay, and there are other means of transfers also. If you are transferring from abroad, we'll give you the details. Shipping charges are applicable. Cash on delivery possible only in Kolkata. And if you like the products, kindly share, like and subscribe. And you can message me in the numbers provided, the 7603042696. That number only for WhatsApping. If you want to call and inquire about something, there's a 983 number in which you can do so. Now this is a lovely piece of kalamkari in pure desi tussar. The first half, I'll really describe you this product. It's handmade, handwork, mirror work, and Ari mirror work has been used. Along with this is fully thread work. It looks like katha, but it's not katha. It is done in machine, but the mirrors have been done in hand, by hand. So this is, I'm really feeling so excited explaining you this sari, because it has been done with a lot of thought and care and love. 10,950 rupees. This is the first half of the sari. Now comes the second half. The second half will be again in kalamkari hand painting. Hand painted kalamkari with mirror work and applique. The pleat part has been dyed to give this lovely rich look. This is the pleat part. This is the sari. In red and off-white black combination, and I'll show you the blouse piece. Here it doesn't end, just see the blouse piece. This is the back part of the blouse, sleeves, the back. So the whole blouse is also in hand painted kalamkari. 10,950 rupees. It's a lovely, it's really a beauty. And I'll show you another color in this product number 13. That was in red pleat. This is in black pleat. I only make two colors. Before I used to make a navy also. That also looks nice. But the black and the red looks better. So I'm showing only the black and red. 10,950 rupees. It's stunning. It's absolutely different. There's so much of effort in the, given in the sari, with mirror work, embroidery, hand painting, applique, dyeing. Lot of karigar is involved in making this beautiful piece of kalamkari tussar sari. See, gorgeous look, very gorgeous. And this is the blouse piece. Please leave a comment if you like the products that I'm showing you, because I'll also feel good when my work gets some kind of appreciation. This is in Munga tussar. First comes the blouse. The blouse will be in digital printed in a matte color. Matte color, digital printed. This is the blouse piece. First goes the blouse piece. Then comes the zari woven pallu and border. I myself had worn a similar kind of a kalamkari in off-white in the previous episode. That's also a beautiful color that is also available now. So these are the new ones that I've made because I got a good response when I showed you the off-white one. So this is in black with florals, very lightweight, soft zari woven border and pallu also. And the whole sari will be lightweight. Those who, Munga Tassar is pure Tassar, but these are softer, lighter weight, and it's very good for summer also. This is the look along with the blouse piece. 6,500 rupees. Munga Tassar Kalamkari, product number 14, 6,500. I'll show you another print, similar type, but the color is same, black only, but the print will be different. Here is the blouse piece for this. Here is the pallu for this. And here is the print for this. So that was more or less floral. This is kind of floral with geometric little smaller print. Both are very pretty with similar zari woven border, Banarasi zari woven Nakshi border. Very soft, lightweight this sari. Very pretty. Bright color combination is also very bright. Now this one also had shown you a red one previously, and I was filled with bookings and all, but I had only 2 pieces that time. So this is the new color that I've done. I'm sure you will like it. This is in golden yellow. Pallu, applique, kalamkari, only 4,990 rupees. Kalamkari border. This is the finish of the back part. This is the back part. Kalamkari applique in the pallu. Body plain. Now comes the pleat. The pleats will be again in kalamkari. Full pleat. Pleats fully in kalamkari, and then comes the double blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. I don't know how will I show you. I hope the whole thing is clear. 4,990 rupees. The full concept, and it's in fabric is matka. Cotton applique. This is cotton. The applique and the blouse is in cotton. Cotton kalamkari. This is in white. Cool, eye soothing. Similar type. Even the red is, I have 2 pieces of red now, which I showed initially in the previous kalamkari. You can have a look in the previous episode of kalamkari. If you want to see the red, 2 pieces are available now. So those who want the red one can get it also. Same design, only the body color will be red instead of this white. So this is the applique, 4,990 rupees in matka, and same blouse piece in cotton. Here is the cotton blouse piece. Another lovely color, black. So red I already showed, and today I am showing you 3 more colors. That's it. See the applique of the black one. 4,990 rupees, similar matka with kalamkari blouse. This is the pallu and this is the pleat. 4,990 rupees. Beautiful piece in this range. Now the one that I'm wearing, I'll show you many colors in this. Product number 19. I'll just quickly show you the colors because lovely colors. This is in Chanderi Banarasi, soft, lightweight, very, very comfortable. Very, very comfortable sari. Absolutely, you will love wearing this fabric. In red border, it's in butter color. Pallu and price is 3,990 rupees, 3,990. I'll drape one, the rest I'll show you the colors because there are many colors that I'll show you. This is the whole look. This is the blouse piece in bright red. It has a self print also. This is the sari, 3,990 rupees in butter color. The one that I'm wearing has Ganga Jamuna border. This is with Ganga Jamuna border. Just see the lower part will be black, the upper part will be red. The blouse piece is red with the border. This is the pallu part. The blouse piece will be like this, red with the border. This is the sari, 3,990 rupees black. This is without number. Then number 20 will be navy. Number 20 is navy. Same thing, navy blue color. Beautiful dark navy color with red blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Even in the store when customers come, they love this fabric. Very nice fabric and it's really rich look. Mustard. I'm not opening the whole sari because I'm wearing one so you can understand. I'll just show you the colors because I want to show you all the colors available in this. See the beautiful mustard color. And the print is also very pretty, traditional kalamkari digital printing in Chanderi, 3,990 rupees with red blouse piece, similar red blouse, and this is the pallu. 22 grey color. Grey color. This color is also pretty because you know it's a very different shade of grey. It's pista grey kind of a color, not exactly grey, it's not exactly green, it's a beautiful shade of grey. And since these colors that has the kalamkari print has been done is also in lovely shades of green, mustard, so on wearing with this red blouse it will really stand out. Those looking for light colors, but at the same time the look should be there. This is a nice color. 23 in pista. See, all the colors are really pretty. Pista green, pallu, blouse red. This is the sari. And the last one, this had come the last moment, so I didn't want to miss out on this. Kora kalamkari with chicken work, one piece. Kora kalamkari chicken work. Throughout embroidery in pista color, kalamkari digital print. It's in silk kora. Kalamkari pallu, 14,900 rupees. All over work in pure silk koda, 14,900. In beautiful shade of light moss green color. With silk blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Pure silk blouse. This is the sari. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I hope you like it. Kindly like, share and subscribe and keep watching, keep supporting, keep loving. Thank you.